The next exercise we're going to learn is how to take a properly stabilized middle and add movement on another part of your spine. And the key here is maintaining the proper contraction of your core while you're moving your head. So we're going to start with that elevator motion again, but instead of going all the way to the 10th floor like we're supposed to, I want you to go to the 5th floor so you're not straining your body. Again, everything else in your body should be completely relaxed except for the work that you're doing in your stomach. So you're going to go ahead and push your stomach up to about the 5th floor or 50%. You're going to make sure that your ribs stay in that downward position and that the pressure that you've just generated in your stomach stays there. And you're going to gently lift your head off of the table by tipping your nose down and keeping the length of your neck. You're going to hold it for a few seconds and then release the head without releasing the ribs or the stomach. And then you're going to repeat the same thing, keeping the pressure. Very good. And it's okay to feel a little bit of shaking. This is not an easy exercise. And go back down. What the key elements are not letting go of the stomach and not letting go of the ribs. You don't want to feel any tension in your back, but give all of the work here to your abdominals and the front of your neck. Only lift your neck as high, only lift your head as high as you can without straining. Keep that chin down. There we go. Good. And relax. Really good job.